Alright, hello, welcome everyone. Nice to see you. It's another video on an airsoft gun again, this time. Been really into the airsoft guns. This is the Double Eagle M56AL tri-shot pump action shotgun in blue and black. First off, this does not come with it. This is just some grip tape that I put on. Actually, it's just duct tape because the slide can get a bit moist in the warm weather. So just so I could actually pump it properly and it didn't slide out my hand, I put some grip tape on it. Works fine. Anyway, moving on to the actual gun itself. It's a stocked version, obviously, as you can see here, it's got the butt stock. This version does come without it, or it's just a pistol grip, the shotgun, but this one has the stock because I like the tactical stock. It's pretty cool. It's got hop up somewhere. I think, you know what, I actually don't know where the hop up is. I should have looked at that, but it does have fully functional hop up. I've just never had to use it because it's a shotgun. It's just 3 shots per shot. Gets up to about 320 FPS, which is pretty nice. Watch the light. It gets up to about 320 FPS. It has a magazine. I'll show you the magazine in a second. It's a shell, like a shotgun shell magazine, which is pretty cool. It's got a nice padded butt here, so it feels quite nice against, your shoulder, whatever. Nice to use. It is skirmishable. You could skirmish with it. I guess it would work. It's perfectly fine for that. I'll show you shooting in a second. But yeah, moving on to the magazine. So, magazine, this one, the release. Oh, you can see, you can see that. The block in the light. There we go. That's the release here. You push it down, and it springs up. And that's where the magazine goes. And the magazine, like I said, it's a shotgun shell that you load the pellets into. In there, 30 of them, 10 shots, and put it back in there. Won't load it just now because I'm not going to shoot it, so there's no point in loading it. But showing it being loaded, but I'm trying to see the best way to load it so you all see. I mean, it's just a shotgun, you know how to load a shotgun. So, and done. And that's it loaded. It's pretty cool. Sounds awesome, and it looks awesome too. It has a fully functional safety as well, just by the trigger. That's safe just now, and then not safe, or other way around, moron. Safe now, and then not safe. Okay, it's still unsafe. It's unloaded, but I just don't want to. I don't like shooting it in my office, Expensive stuff in here. Yeah. It's pretty great. It was, I think, £70, something like that. It's got a foresight and rear sight. It's sort of see there. Yeah, actually, see if I can do. Ooh, shoot the can of Heineken. Ooh. You can see the sights. Sight here, and then iron sight here. It's not, what's it called? White, so you can see in the dark better. But yeah, it's very nice. Feels very good to hold, and yeah, performs very well. Again, the only issue I had with it was the slippery pump, but put some tape on that and it's all good. Now let's figure out how to shoot it. I mean, I know how to shoot it, just in here. Alright, repositioned, and I'll now load it. I have a speed loader here. It's got white and black pellets in it, because when you're shooting in the dark, you sometimes can't see where you're shooting with the dark, so yeah, sometimes it gets a bit stiff. Yeah, because I'm not doing it in the camera. I hit the light. Oh no! Right, now it's in the camera. It'll work first try. Watch this. F. There you go. Didn't push it down enough. It is quite a rigid gun, like very well built, so it's not just gonna fall apart. And that's why. It's quite rigid. So, pellets. It's very bright right now, right under the light. And here, I'll do that many. I don't know how many that was, I think it's about 15. Something like that. A goofy face. And then, have trouble getting it in sometimes. Don't worry, happens to everyone. Close that. Pump it. Safety off. You might you might be able to see the pellets. We're aiming over there, so you have the best chance of seeing them. Sort of. And that's it. That was 3 or 4. Don't actually know. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna move this back. Alright. So yeah, that was the Double Eagle M56AL tri-shot pump action shotgun. Very nice. Feels nice. Shoots nice. Quite accurate. And yeah, let's show you the whole thing in a cheeky little close up. Preferably excluding my face because I'm a goofy MF. But yeah, if I ain't getting a shotgun and a Springer, oh yeah, I mean it's obviously spring action, but it's spring powered, so I'll just say that. It also has metal internal construction, so it's got some weight to it, which is pretty awesome. And the outside is polymer. But yeah, run out of space. There's a window beside me. So yeah, if you're thinking of getting a shotgun, I'd recommend this one. It's very nice, looks nice, feels nice, shoots nice, like I said. Definitely worth the money. And yeah, if this video helped at all, or if you feel like it, subscribe for more guns and whatnot. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.